Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a tricky problem that you might encounter when working with C++ code. The problem revolves around the use of the constinit specifier in a structured binding declaration, as introduced in C++20. It's interesting to note that different compilers, such as MSVC, Clang, and GCC, have varying responses to this declaration. This discrepancy can understandably lead to confusion among developers trying to utilize this feature in their code. In the solution provided, we learn that according to the C++ standard, the constinit specifier can only be applied to a declaration of a variable with static or thread storage duration. This means that using constinit in a structured binding declaration is not allowed, as a structured binding declaration is not considered a variable declaration. It's also worth noting that the same restriction applies to the constexpr specifier as well. While GCC may accept the example provided, the behavior aligns with MSVC and Clang in rejecting the use of constinit in this context. The ongoing discussions in the C++ community aim to address this issue by potentially allowing constexpr and constinit on structure bindings. The goal is to enforce constexpr, and by extension constinit, on the implicit variable definition and enable structured bindings to be used in constant expressions. As work continues on this front, it's exciting to anticipate the potential enhancements that could streamline the usage of these features in C++ code. In conclusion, while the current standard does not permit the use of constinit in structured binding declarations, future developments may bring about changes to enable such functionality. It's always fascinating to witness the evolution of programming languages and the continuous improvements that enhance developers' experiences. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe for more content, and remember to like and comment below with your thoughts on this intriguing topic.